Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to do a duet on TikTok. To start, go to your TikTok account. Next, tap on this arrow icon on your desired video. By swiping these options to the left, you'll find Duet. Tap on it. As you can see, your selected video has been added on your screen. Now record a duet video with it. Once you're done, tap on Tick icon. Select the privacy for your video. Then hit the next button to continue posting it. Thank you for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.